Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I wanted to show you the zoom out chart, which is the 6 month chart for Bitcoin. And let's compare 2017 to the current situation. So we are in the fourth green bar, which is this, and this bar is closing in 17 days by end of December. So in January, we are opening the new bar, which can still go way up. And this is the time when we will be closing the profits for the current cycle. Is it a super cycle? I don't know yet. No one knows. But the situation is for the next few months, we should be still green if the history will repeat. So this is basically the same chart, which is showing uh, different cycles compared to the current one. The red one is the latest, orange is the second one, which is exactly I was comparing to. So in both cases, this is the days from the halving, right? Which is days from halving, which is the halving is very critical, important time for Bitcoin. And in any case, we can still have the pullbacks, which can come anytime, but the next around 300 days, 250, 300 days, which is exactly matching to these days here, which means around June, July next year should be green. And that's the assumption. How we can plan it differently? That means we still have few months of green bars ahead of us. This is another chart which is showing the stock to flow, stock to income, power law, rainbow, the analysis when Bitcoin, how high Bitcoin could close the current cycle. And in this case, also we see around June next year as a kind of top of the cycle, and it was exactly matched with the previous chart I showed you. So if it will be 400, 300, 180, that we don't know yet. I think it could be around 200,000. I will be explaining next videos, but the timing is important. How much the Bitcoin will cost that time, we will see. But the timing, if we understand the timing, we can. This is the critical one because on that timing we can um, start to selling partially our Bitcoins, but we really shouldn't sell Bitcoins below 10 millions, I think, which will reach by 2034. So just an idea. If we also go to the Bitcoin rainbow chart, we also looking very good here. And also, if you compare this chart, it looks very similar to 2017 situation. So there are many similarities compared to that cycle, but also to the last one in terms of the rate of investment we show on the today previous video in terms of the XCOM news. So yeah, that's what I wanted to present to you today. That's the 6 months bars. We have still 6 month bar ahead of us, which could end up around June next year. In terms of the cycle, we also should be green for the next few months. In terms of the stock to flow, stock to income, we are still ahead of the time, and instead of the rainbow as well. So black swan event can always happen, but all signs, looks, and statistics that we should still go higher than we are today. I hope you liked the video. It's a long-term investment idea. You make your decision on your own, but if you like it, give me the like button, subscribe to the channel, and talk to you in the next video. Bye.